Jahim, I'm taking a movie. Can you act and stop taking pictures for 1 minute?
I will.
Yeah. What did you think of Splash Mountain, buddy? Was it fun? Payton, was it fun? Okay, I guess you don't want to go again, huh? Oh, okay. Nicole, what are you doing? Hello.
How was your trip?
How was our trip? How was Splash Mountain? It was fun.
Can I go too?
You gotta ask your mom and dad.
Daddy and moving grandma. I don't know.
Who's hiding? Is he hiding? Hey! I see you!
Hello,
I see you!
I'm big. You are big? You're not Romina, you're big. It's time to see. Okay. Go up there. How did they climb up? Just stay here.
She's still eating, huh?
Okay, it's lots of
Yeah.